The Participatory Anthropic Principle, PAP, by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The Participatory Anthropic Principle, PAP, is a thought-provoking concept that has garnered significant attention in the fields of philosophy, cosmology, and quantum physics. It posits that the presence of conscious observers is fundamental to the existence of the universe. This principle challenges traditional scientific paradigms by suggesting that the universe is not only capable of supporting life, but that it is in fact fine-tuned to ensure the emergence of conscious beings who can observe and comprehend it. The PAP is rooted in the broader anthropic principle, which asserts that the fundamental constants and parameters of the universe are finely tuned to allow for the emergence of life as we know it. However, the participatory anthropic principle takes this idea a step further by asserting that the presence of conscious observers is not merely a consequence of the universe's properties, but rather an integral part of its very fabric. One of the central figures associated with the development of the PAP is physicist John Archibald Wheeler, who played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of quantum mechanics and the nature of reality. Wheeler's concept of participatory universe posits that the universe does not truly exist until it is observed by conscious beings. This idea challenges the traditional view of an objective observer-independent reality and suggests that the act of observation is inextricably linked to the creation and sustenance of the universe. The participatory anthropic principle is deeply rooted in the philosophical and scientific exploration of the nature of reality, consciousness, and the fundamental laws of the universe. At its core, the PAP challenges the traditional view of an objective, observer-independent reality and suggests that the presence of conscious observers plays a fundamental role in shaping the nature of the cosmos. One of the key influences on the development of the PAP is the field of quantum mechanics, which has long perplexed scientists and philosophers with its counterintuitive principles and implications for the nature of reality. Central to the PAP is the concept of wave function collapse, which asserts that the act of measurement or observation causes a quantum system to collapse from a superposition of possible states into a single definite state. This phenomenon has led to profound questions about the role of consciousness in the quantum realm and has inspired speculation about the nature of reality itself. The PAP suggests that the act of observation is not merely a passive process of gathering information about the external world, but rather an active engagement that influences the very fabric of reality. Furthermore, the PAP draws upon the broader framework of the anthropic principle, which has been the subject of extensive debate and speculation within the fields of cosmology and physics. The anthropic principle posits that the fundamental constants and parameters of the universe are finely tuned to allow for the emergence of life as we know it. This fine-tuning has been a source of fascination and inquiry for scientists and philosophers, leading to various interpretations and explanations, including the multiverse hypothesis and the notion of a cosmic designer. The participatory anthropic principle builds upon this foundation by suggesting that the fine-tuning of the universe is not merely a coincidence or a result of random chance, but rather a deliberate feature that enables the existence of conscious observers who can contemplate the nature of the cosmos. This idea has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it, challenging traditional assumptions about the nature of reality and the role of consciousness in shaping our experience of the world. Advocates of the PAP argue that the phenomenon of wave function collapse suggests a fundamental link between the act of observation and the nature of reality. They posit that the presence of conscious observers is not incidental, but rather an essential aspect of the quantum world, influencing the behaviour of quantum systems and shaping the unfolding of events at the most fundamental level. This interpretation has sparked intense debate and speculation, with proponents and critics offering contrasting perspectives on the implications of the PAP for our understanding of quantum mechanics and the nature of the universe. Some scholars have embraced the idea that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping the quantum realm, pointing to the mysterious and elusive nature of quantum phenomena as evidence of the profound influence of observation on the fabric of reality. On the other hand, skeptics have raised objections to the PAP, arguing that it introduces unnecessary complexity and metaphysical speculation into the realm of scientific enquiry. They contend that the principles of quantum mechanics can be understood and interpreted without invoking the need for conscious observers to shape the behaviour of quantum systems. This debate continues to animate discussions within the scientific community and has prompted further exploration of the relationship between consciousness and the quantum realm. In addition to its relationship with quantum mechanics, the participatory anthropic principle has implications for our understanding of cosmology and the nature of the universe as a whole. The fine-tuning of the fundamental constants and parameters of the cosmos has long been a subject of fascination and inquiry, leading to various interpretations and explanations within the fields of astrophysics and cosmology. Advocates of the PAP argue that the fine-tuning of the universe is best understood as a reflection of its capacity to support the emergence of conscious beings who can observe and contemplate its nature. They posit that the presence of life is not a random occurrence, but rather an integral aspect of the cosmos, reflecting its inherent propensity to give rise to conscious observers. Critics of the PAP, on the other hand, have raised objections to this interpretation, arguing that it introduces unnecessary metaphysical speculation and anthropocentric bias into our understanding of the universe. They contend that the fine-tuning of the cosmos can be explained through naturalistic principles and physical laws, without the need to invoke the presence of conscious observers as a fundamental feature of the universe. In summary, advocates of the PAP argue that the universe is not a random or indifferent phenomenon, but rather a participatory reality that is finely tuned to support the emergence of conscious beings. They posit that the presence of life is not a mere accident, but rather an integral aspect of the cosmos, reflecting its inherent propensity to give rise to observers who can contemplate its nature. This perspective has profound implications for our understanding of the significance of human existence and the nature of reality. It suggests that human consciousness plays a central role in shaping the universe, and that our very existence is intertwined with the fabric of reality itself.